Thank you so much. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Shri Rama Rama Ramete. Thank you, madam. Last time pura Hallelujah.
Happy Doctor's Day.
Thank you so much.
అందరూ నమ్మే అల్లవే జీసస్ పంపిన దూతవే ఆపద మొక్కులా వాడవే నిజానికందరి వాడవే వైద్యుడా వైద్యుడా ప్రాణ రక్షకుడా వైద్యుడా ఓ వైద్యుడా వైద్యుడా మనుషుల్లో దేవుడా అందరూ నమ్మే అల్లవే జీసస్ పంపిన దూతవే ఆపద మొక్కులా వాడవే నిజానికందరి వాడవే నిన్నే నమ్మిన సమాజానికి దైవ స్వరూపంలే ఆపదలో ఆశ్రయాన్నిచ్చే ఆదర్శమిత్రుడివే కులము మతము వివక్షలని ఆపద్బాంధవుడే చివరి క్షణములో ప్రాణము నిలిపే ప్రాణ ప్రధాతుడే వైద్యుడా ప్రాణ రక్షకుడా వైద్యుడా ఓ వైద్యుడా వైద్యుడా మనుషుల్లో దేవుడా
On behalf of Wonder Kids International, happy Doctor's Day, sir.
Today being the Doctor's Day, many have wished in WhatsApp and media probably. You are the first person came directly and wished all the doctors present here from your Wonder Kids School, Bimal Nagar. Thank you all very much, kids. Thank you.
Present here. Today, the 1st July of 2025 is being celebrated as the International Doctors Day. We, the crew from Wonder Kids International School, are here to generate an awareness about cancer, the life-threatening diseases. We have brought our little shining stars to get an initiative awareness to these deadly causing diseases. I call upon our kids to join hands with the government to support and to generate new ideas and lifestyle modifications to prevent and to control cancer. I shall start with Yukti from grade 6.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯುಕ್ತಿ. ನಾನು ವಂಡರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ವಿಶ್ವದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಸವಾಲು ತಂದಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಎಂಬುದು ಶರೀರದ ಕೆಳಸೆಲ್ಗಳು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಮತ್ತು ಇತರ ಅಂಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಹರಡುವ ಗಂಭೀರ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ. ಇದು ಶರೀರದ ಬಹುಪಾಲು ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಬಹುದು. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗಳಂದರೆ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್, ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್, ರಕ್ತ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್, ಚರ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ನ ಕಾರಣಗಳು: ಧೂಮಪಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣಗಳಲ್ಲೊಂದು. ಅಸಮತೋಲನ ಆಹಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಆಹಾರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾನಿಕಾರ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡುವ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇವಿಸಬಾರದು. ರಾಸಾಯನಿಕಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಕಿರಣೋಪಚಾರ ಅಧಿಕ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ನೀಡಬಹುದು. ವೈರಸ್ಗಳು HPV, ಹೈಪಟೈಟಿಸ್ BC ಮೊದಲಾದವು. ವಂಶ ಪಾರಂಪರ್ಯ, ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸವಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ಶಾರೀರಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಕೊರತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಪರಿಣಾಮಗಳು: ದೈಹಿಕ ದುರ್ಬಲತೆ, ತೀವ್ರ ನೋವು, ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆಘಾತ, ಭಯ, ಆತಂಕ, ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾವನಾತ್ಮಕ ಬಾಧೆ. ದಿನಚರಿ ಜೀವನದ ಕುಸಿತ, ಧೈರ್ಯದ ಹೀನಾಯತೆ. ಮುನ್ನೆಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಗಳು: ಧೂಮಪಾನ ಮತ್ತು ತಂಬಾಕು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ಆಹಾರ ಸೇವಿಸಿ. ಹಣ್ಣು, ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು, ತಾಜಾ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇವಿಸಿ. ನಿತ್ಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ತೂಕದ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ. ನಿಯಮಿತ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Manandal. My name is Patricia Blossom of 6th grade from Mandrakesh International School. I'd like to share a few lines about awareness of cancer. What is cancer? Cancer is a serious disease which can abnormally cells grow in a body uncontrollably and spread to other parts. It can affect almost any parts of a body. One of these leading causes of death and globally. Some of the most common types of cancer such as breast cancer, lung cancer, blood cancer and skin cancer. Causes of cancer. There are many factors that can lead to cancer. Some of the most common such as unhealthy lifestyle choices, smoking, alcohol consumption and poor diet, lack of physical activity and high level stress. Effects of cancer. Cancer not only affects the patient's health but also impacts the emotional, social and financial well-being. Severe physical weakness and pain, loss of confidence and independence, prevention and precaution. While we cannot prevent all types of cancer, we can greatly reduce the risk by making healthy choice. Eat a balanced rich fruits and vegetables. Avoid tobacco and limit alcohol. Symptoms of cancer: bleeding without reason and sudden weight loss. Thank you.
Good morning all of you present here today. July 1st is being celebrated as International Doctors Day. On this day, I would like to enlighten all of you words about cancer. Cancer refers to a disease in which abnormal cells divide uncontrollably and destroy our body tissue. Don't use tobacco. Using any type of tobacco puts you on a collision course with cancer. Smoking can cause cancer and block your body from fighting it. As we get older, our cells are more likely to develop genetic mutations. Excessive alcohol consumption may contribute to a variety of different cancers. Smoking can cause cancer and block your body from fighting it. Tobacco is a major risk factor and may cause different cancers. Your cells can be damaged by exposure of high levels of radiation. Maintain a healthy weight and be physically active. Pain can be caused by cancer, though not all cancer is painful. Cancer can press on nearby nerves and brains. So, I would like to conclude by saying all the doctors are the saviors of the earth. We students of Mandrakesh International School heartily wish all the day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. On this International Doctors Day, I, Hannah from Mandrakesh International School of grade 5th, is front of you all to present a few lines about cancer, the life-threatening disease. Having a cancer is a life-changing event. Knowing what to accept from diagnosis to recover can empower you and help you to take control of your health. Cancer is a large group of disease, but one thing is common. They happen when normal cells become cancerous cells that multiply and spread. Top 10 causes of cancer include tobacco, obesity, infection, radiation, genetics, alcohol, diet, pollution, chemical and age. Cancer and its treatment can have a wide range of effects, including physical symptoms, emotional and long-term of health complications. These effects were depending on type and stage of cancer. Like there are several types of cancer like lung cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, oral cavity cancer, stomach cancer, brain cancer and etc. Cancer itself can have a various symptoms like pain, fatigue, weight loss, nausea and difficult breathing. There are some steps to prevent your cancer like avoid chemical which causes cancer, avoid tobacco and alcohol, maintain a healthy weight, eat a healthy diet, breastfeed to reduce your mother cancer, ensure your child to get hepatitis B and HPV vaccines. Thanks for my speech and I wish all the doctors happy Doctors Day.
Good morning to everybody. My name is Arjun from Mandrakesh International School, grade 5. In front of you all about a few words about hidden culprits of the cancer and our danger to our body. Food colors are substance added to food and drinks to ulcer appearance, while natural food colors like beetroot, turmeric are generally safe. Artificial colors, especially synthetic one, have raised serious concerns, including a possible link to cancer. Many artificial food colors are made by the petroleum-based chemicals and may contain substances that are carcinogenic, cancer-causing. become harmful when they are consumed in the large amount in a time. Some synthetics are banned or satisfied in several countries due to the risk and potential are red 3 causes thyroid cancer, yellow 5 causes DNA damage, yellow 6 causes tumors, blue 1 or 2 causes brain tumors. In several due to the hidden culprits of the cancer are hormonal imbalance, DNA damage, and to cancer formatting weakened immune system. To prevent us from being trapped into the world of pain and sickness, choose a natural organ food free from artificial colors. Check food labels and avoid items like red 40 or 133. Encourage regulation, awareness about harmful activities in food. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನಾನು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ವಂಡರ್ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗಲೇ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬಗೆಗಿನ ಅರಿವನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸಿದರು. ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರೆಸಲು ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣ ಆಹಾರ, ಬಣ್ಣಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗುವ ಅಪಾಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನ, ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಷ ಇದು. ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಹಂಚಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಹಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆಯ ವಿಷಗಳು. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂನಿಂದ ಈ ಫುಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕೊಬ್ಬು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಾರಿನಾಂಶವಿರುವ ಆಹಾರಗಳು ಕರಳು, ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶ, ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗಳ ಅಪಾಯವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ ಸೇವನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ದೇಹದ ತೂಕವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರಿಂದ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗಳ ಅಪಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯನ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿದಂತೆ ವಿವಿಧ ರೀತಿಯ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕ ಆಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇವಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುವ ಅಪಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕೊಬ್ಬು, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಾರಿನಾಂಶವಿರುವ ಆಹಾರಗಳು ಕರುಳು, ಶ್ವಾಸಕೋಶ, ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗಳ ಅಪಾಯವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಆಹಾರ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುವ ಅಪಾಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರಬಹುದಾದರೂ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಗುಣಪಡಿಸಲು ವಿಶೇಷ ಆಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬಹುದು ಎಂಬುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪುರಾವೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಆಹಾರಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪೋಷಕಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ವರ್ಗೀಕರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಹಾಲು, ಮೊಸರು, ಚೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಗುಂಪಿನ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪೋಷಕಾಂಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರವು ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you everyone. I, Joshua Paul of Wonderkids International School of Grade 7. As my friend spoke about cancer, I am going to acknowledge you about a few lifestyle modifications to prevent and control cancer. To prevent and control cancer, focus on these 10 lifestyle modifications to maintain a healthy weight. Eat a balanced diet which are rich in fruits and vegetables. Engage in regular physical activities to maintain a healthy weight. Prioritize yourself in regular medical checkups to manage stress and adequate sleep. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity is linked to the risk of several cancers. Aim for a BMI within the healthy range. Be physically active. Regular exercise can boost your hormone. Aim for a BMI within the 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of moderate intensity. A healthy balanced diet. Healthy balanced diet focus on fruits and vegetables, whole grains, a limited number of processed red meat, lean number of protein source. Avoid using tobacco. Tobacco is a major form of several cancers. Limited number of alcohol consumption. Limited number of alcohol consumption can protect yourself from various several cancers. Adequate sleep. Adequate sleep is the essential for healthy and push your hormone system. Aim for a equally sleep to 7 to 9 hours of equal sleep per night. Thank you one and all. From Wonderkids International School. As my friend has already gave a brief information about cancer and its affected. Cancer is a disease where cells in a body grow uncontrollably. It can affect almost any part of a body. If not detected and treated earlier, it can be life-threatening. Common types include breast cancer, lung cancer, oral cancer, and blood cancer. Its causes can range from lifestyle habits like smoking, unhealthy diet, to exposure to harmful chemicals. Cancer is a serious disease. If we find it early, we can treat it early. The government is helping by doing health checkup camp for free. These can help to find cancer earlier. The government also gives free treatment and free checkups in some hospitals. The government also teach about cancer through TV, radio and poster so that they can stay healthier. The government also say how to stay from cancer. Thank you one and all and have a nice day. Happy Doctor's Day to all.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯಗಳು. ನಾನು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ವಿಷಯ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟಲು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ರೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಬಲ. ವಿಶ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿದೆ. 2072ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 20 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಹೊಸ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳು ವರದಿಯಾಗಿವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಗತಿಕವಾಗಿ 9.7 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಜನರು ಈ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾವನ್ನಪ್ಪಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 100 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಇರುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಮತ್ತು and all. As we are now aware of cancer and a few lifestyle modifications of preventing cancer, myself Joshna is here to tell how government supports for controlling and preventing cancer. Cancer is a disease where cells in the body grow uncontrollably. It can affect almost any part of the body. If not detected and treated, it can be life-threatening. Common types include breast cancer, lung cancer, oral cancer, and blood cancer. It causes can range from lifestyle habits like smoking and unhealthy diet, exposure to harmful chemicals, genetic and environment factors. Early detection and scanning camps are organized, especially in regular areas to catch cancer at an early and treatable stage. Free and subsidized treatment is provided in many government hospitals under schemes like Ayushman Bharat, PMJ and state insurance programs. Awareness campaigning are run throughout schools, colleges, media to educate people about prevention, symptoms and healthy living. Financial aid supports group helping cancer patients with treatment but also with emotions and physical strength. Free medicines and chemotherapy is provided in selected centers for poor and needy people. It is so heartening to see that our government is not only treating the disease but also showing compassion towards the effects. Thank you, Anand. On behalf of Wonder Kids International School, Happy Doctors Day.